So in this series of videos, we're gonna learn about Express.js. So the Express.js is a popular web application framework for Node.js, and it is designed to make web applications and APIs more efficiently. So it provides us with set of features to develop the mobile and the web application. So let's just talk about few of the key features of the Express.js framework. So first of all, it is simple and minimal. So the Express.js is unopinionated. That means it does not enforce any specific project structure. So here the developers have the freedom to organize their application as they need. And also Express.js is minimal with a small and core set of features. And secondly, here we have the middleware. So we can use the middlewares to perform tasks such as logging, we can perform authentication, and also we can serve static files. Thirdly, here we can use routing. So the Express.js provides a very powerful routing system where developer can define routes for different HTTP methods. And also here it supports dynamic content delivery. And also here we have different utility methods. So the utility methods can simplify the task of HTTP request and response. So we can handle HTTP request and responses very easily, and also we can send the responses in various formats like HTML, JSON, and lot more. And also we can integrate different template engines, and we can dynamically render HTML pages based on the data. And also here we can serve static files. So we can serve static files such as images. We can serve CSS files from any specific directory. And here also we can easily create RESTful APIs which can support different HTTP methods, like we have the get method, post method, put method, and also the delete method. So the API supports all of these different methods. And lastly, Express.js is very extensible. So here we can use different middlewares and we can use different plugins. So we can download different middlewares and plugins from the Node package manager, and we can easily extend the features of the Express.js framework. So we can say that Express.js is very powerful way to build web applications and APIs. And here it allows developers to build a wide variety of applications from a simple web server to complex APIs with ease and efficiency. So that's it for the video. In the next video, we're going to see how we can install Express in our project and start working with Express.js. So see you in the next one. Take care.